welcome back to Algo Trading. Today I'm going to tell you how to download and install TA-Lib in your systems. Right? So TA-Lib is a technical analysis library, and 80% of case people facing a lot of problem to installing TA-Lib into their system. Okay. If you go to TA-Lib website, official website, then here this is the TA-Lib official website, and then you go to installing uh, page, and then here they have mentioned pip install TA-Lib. If you go to your Anaconda prompt and you type pip install TA-Lib, definitely it is going to give an error. Okay, in 80% of case it will give you an error because it's written in C++. So I think in C. So this is the easy 4-5 easy step that you can easily download and install your TA-Lib into your system. So first you need to check your Python versions, and then you have to check your Windows architecture, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit, and then you have to go to this particular website. I have given the URL here, and also I'm going to put this URL even in the description as well. And then you have to download the correct file. There are so many files here, so you have to find out which is the correct file for your particular system. And then you have to move this once you download this file, you have to move this particular file from your download folder, because the moment you download, Google Chrome by default it will put into your download folder. So you have to move that file from download folder to the to the correct folder which is shown in the your Anaconda prompt. And then you have to install this file in your Anaconda prompt, typing a pip install and that particular file name. And then the last step is you have to check whether it's correctly installed or not. Okay, so let's start quickly. So first you have to check your Python versions. So how to do that? Go to your Anaconda prompt and then type Python. The moment you type it, then you can see here, I can see here in my system it's Python 3.7.4. okay, and this is how the first step is done. Now you have to check your Windows architecture, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. For that you have to go to your Windows and this PC, and then you right click and take properties, and then it will give you here you can see system type is 64-bit operating system. So this is 64-bit. So now I got it. My Python version is 3.7 and Windows architecture is 64-bit. So next step is you have to go to this particular URL. So go open this URL and type here search TA-Lib, then you can see all the file here. But which file I need to download, this is more important. So I have to download my Python version is 3.7 and 64. So you have to look for 3.7. So you can see here CP37, that means Python version 3.7, and then AMD 64, it means 64-bit. So this is the correct file for particular my system. So according to your system, you have to download the correct file. Okay, so once you download this, it will directly go to your download folder, which is here. You can see here CP37M and AMD64. It means Python 3.7 and Windows 64. This is the file. This is the default folder which Chrome has been downloaded. Now you have to move this file to the folder which is you can see in your Anaconda prompt. If you go to your Anaconda prompt, here you can see C user image, and then this is the folder C user image. So you have to go to that particular folder. This is the folder C user image. This is the folder, and I copy and paste it here. Okay, you can see this file, and then you go to your Anaconda prompt and then type your pip install that particular file name. And remember, don't forget to include WHL at the end. So the file name, the whole file name. Okay, So you have to put the full pip install and the whole file name. Then you can see it is downloaded and installs. I mean, sorry, it installed successfully. So how to check? So you have to go to any your Jupyter notebook or Spider, any IDs, and then you can check. If you go to here and you can see import Talib, then you run it. It's no, there is no error, so it means already installed. Or alternatively, you can go to any Jupyter notebook and you can just type like this and enter. So it will not give you an error, so it means it's already installed correctly. Okay, hopefully this help you guys to install your TA-Lib in your system correctly, because I have spent almost half a day to move here and there and struggle a lot to install that. But once I got the solution, so I thought to share with you guys, and hopefully this will help you to install correctly. Thank you guys, and please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will come with a new videos and to help you guys to in a lot of things.